Hurricanes. I'm Kasim.
And I'm Isi.
Welcome to the Morning News Show. Today is Friday, March 24th, 2017. It's Cycle Day 3. The faculty versus student basketball game will take place next Friday, March 31st during periods 8 and 9. To attend the game, stay out of trouble. Students, come see the faculty cheerleaders turn up and the students crush the teachers.
On Friday, April 7th, we're going to have our next school dance. It's going to be lit. Stay tuned for more information. Today for lunch, we are having pizza dippers, broccoli with ranch, graham treat, grape juice, and milk. Enjoy.
Remember, orchestra, practice is today.
And now we have Friday Funnies from wxln's Behind the Scenes.
Teachers, at this time, please check students.
Oh my God! Yo, are you kidding? Wait, let me try. Wait, now you try. It's gonna be like that. Oh my God!
2017. Today is Cycle Day 1.
Oh gosh.
It's recording.
Good morning, I'm Malia.
And I'm Janae.
I can't hold on.
Oh, is it better over this way?
We have a special guest star.
AKA Jenna.
That was special.
And I love chicken. My name is Isaiah. Alright, so.
Why would you do that?
What inspired you to dance?
I love to twerk.
He said he loves to twerk.
Damn, I can't.
We're making secret bloopers. So when they find this, number 3.
Team versus student basketball game will take place on March 31st during periods 8 and 9.
You know, you gotta be like that thing.
Oh, you go. Boom.
Remember, students,
No, stop. Today is Friday.
Oh, sorry, I didn't even start it.
I don't.
You can do, it's a song. And then you jump.
Drop it. Drop.
Alright. I got something to say about your news. Hey, say, hey.
Take the microphone. I have to hold it.
Oh, I cussed.
Hi, everyone say hi to Janae. Yes, flawless. Look at that. Oh, work it. Look, I hate myself. Okay, next is your turn.
I look like a roach. I look roachish.
Let's go. Let's go. Look at Summer. Yes. Oh my God, yes. Yes. She slays. Okay, Summer. Oh.
Listen to our morning announcements. Today is Cycle Day 3.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and have a great day.